We can easily cancel this 10 and this 10, so we have just 20 divided by 1, and this is equal to 20. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. So first we have to do this division and then this multiplication. Okay, so 20 divided by 1 over 10. 20 divided by 1 over 10. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. Keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. We can write 20 times 10, and again we have times 10. 20 times 10 gives us 200. So 200 times 10, which equals 2000. Okay, so therefore our final answer to this problem is just 2000. The correct answer is 2000.